Hi everyone, I'm Siobhan and I am currently completing my honours in Ecology and Conservation Biology within the School of Biological Sciences at Monash. Bob Wong is my supervisor. So how did I get here? I completed a Bachelor of Science Advanced Research with honours attached to it, so it is a 4-year course. I did an extended major in Ecology and Conservation Biology with minors in Zoology and Biochemistry. Why honours? Well, other than the fact that it was part of my 4-year course, it enhances your undergraduate qualification. It's a holistic experience where you gain new research skills and get to take ownership over a research project. Honours allows you to kind of get a better understanding of whether or not you're wanting to pursue research or academia. And that's why I really wanted to do honours, to get a better understanding of whether I am wanting to pursue a PhD or perhaps do something different. So honours in the School of Biological Sciences is split into two main components. Your first component is your coursework component, and then your second component is the project component. And within each of these two main components, there are assessments to help build your skills as a researcher and give you the information to make that decision about whether or not you want to pursue academia or a PhD. So the main assessments in the biological science coursework are a statistics assessment, journal article reviewing, abstract writing, and a professional skills development assessment, which I haven't done yet, but I've heard really good things about. And then you've got the project component. So you might have seen photos of the little froggies throughout the presentation so far. And I'm actually working with these spotted marsh frogs. This is the lab set up down here. We've just moved them up from the JMR to campus. And my project is about the impact of endocrine disruptors and UVB on frog activity and exploration. And I've really enjoyed it. It's been a very holistic experience, as I mentioned, because some days I'm running experiments and working with the frogs hands-on, and other days I'm doing research and reading at home on my computer, and then other days I'm doing all kinds of odd jobs, such as setting up shelving and lighting and caring for the frogs. And as I mentioned, the project component also has assessments, and these are a literature review, a presentation, a final thesis, and then your supervisor makes an assessment on how you've gone during the year. This project component has been fantastic. I've learned so many things about research, and it's also just been great to experience being part of a lab. Everyone in the lab is super helpful, and I get to learn of people that have expertise in so many aspects of animal behavior and ecotoxicology. And it's a great experience to network, and it gives you opportunities to just expand your knowledge. So where to go from here? As I mentioned, doing honours for me was kind of an opportunity to choose whether or not I want to pursue a PhD. And I am still kind of interested in this career path, but not sure I want to jump into it straight away. So I'm hoping to take the research assistant position in my lab next year and then potentially go into a PhD after that. Or I might just take a break and do some other work and maybe travel if COVID doesn't restrict us too much, and then go back and do a PhD. Or I might go down a different career path altogether and maybe pursue a government job or become an ecological consultant. But the thing about honours is you're not limited straight off the bat of going straight into a PhD, and something that we've had the opportunity to learn about during honours is different career paths that people have taken. We've had sessions where people have shown how non-linear your career progression has to be, and that you don't have to restrict yourself to one career path or put yourself in a box. So I highly recommend taking the opportunity of honours. It is a challenging year, but for the best reasons. And I believe that I have really grown in my academic and personal development from this year. So I highly recommend it. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have a good day.